Good morning, students. Today we'll start with the second chapter, that is parallel line and transversal. So first of all, let me explain you what is parallel line. The two lines which lies in the same plane and do not intersect is called a parallel line, and the line which intersect these two parallel line is called a transversal. I hope all of you understood. Line L and M is a parallel line, and line N is your transversal. Now come on the types of angle. In a parallel line, there are three types of angle: corresponding angle, alternate angle, and interior angle. Let me explain you first what is corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Angle A, B, C. Corresponding angle is B, D, E. That means angle A, B, C, and angle B, D, E. These are the corresponding angle. The second one, we have to come on this side. Angle A, B, F. Corresponding angle is B, D, G. Angle A, B, F, and angle B, D, G. The third one. Now come downward, down the parallel line. That is angle C, B, D. Angle C, B, D. Corresponding angle is E, D, H. E, D, H. Same with this side. Angle F, B, D, and angle G, D, H. These are the four pairs of corresponding angle. Now the second, we learn about the interior angle. Interior angles. In interior angle, it forms a C. There are only two pairs of interior angle. That means angle CBD, angle CBD, and angle BDE. BDE. This is the one. It will complete a C form. This is a C. Same way this side also. That is angle FBD and BDG. These are the two pairs of interior angle. Now come on the alternate angle. Alternate angles, there are two types: interior alternate angle and exterior alternate angle. In alternate angle, there are two types. Interior, first of all, we will learn about interior alternate angle. Interior means its form is Z. It completes at Z. It will start from here and it will end over here. That means angle FBD and angle BDE. And the second one, angle CBD and angle BDG. These are the two pairs of interior. That means interior means between the two parallel line. It will comes between the two parallel line. Now come on the exterior alternate angle. The exterior alternate angle is, that means your angle A, it will be above the parallel line, not between the parallel line. That is angle ABF and angle EDH. And the second one, that side, angle ABC and angle GDH. That means there are total four pairs of corresponding angle, two pairs of interior angles. In alternate angle, there are two parts. That is, this is the interior alternate angle and this is the exterior alternate angle. I hope all of you understood what I have explained here about the types of angle. Now we'll go for the exercise. The first exercise. corresponding angle. The first angle P, and the box is given to you. In the second sir, angle Q, and again box is given to you. Third one, angle R. Fourth one, angle S, and again box. Now interior angle, interior alternate the fifth one, the sixth one. You have to fill the box. So first of all, we will come on the corresponding angle. You can see here the corresponding angle of P. The corresponding angle of P is what? W. That means angle W. Corresponding angle of Q is what? X. X. Corresponding of R. R parallel line के नीचे आ रहा है. That means you have to come below the parallel line. R का corresponding angle will be angle Y. And the corresponding angle of S is what? Angle Z. These are the four pairs of corresponding angle. Now interior alternate angle between the two parallel line, it forms a Z. S का interior alternate angle will be X, angle X, and W का interior alternate angle will be angle R. This was the first question of exercise 3.1. I hope all of you understood. Now we'll go for the second sum. We have to write interior alternate angle. Interior alternate angle between the two parallel lines. That means angle C and angle C का angle, it will be angle E. Same way angle B and angle H. B का H alternate is equal cross, that will complete as Z. Now the second one, so the first one, the second is asked corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. We already know that there are four pairs of corresponding angle. We'll write the first one, A का corresponding angle, the first one, angle A and angle E. Second one, angle D and angle H. Third one, angle B and angle F. The fourth one, angle C and angle G. These are the four pairs of corresponding angle. In this question, interior angle is also asked. I am writing here interior angle. The third one, interior angle, it forms a C. That means angle B का interior angle will be angle E. Angle B and angle E. Second one, angle C and angle H. That means there are total two pairs of interior alternate angle, four pairs of corresponding angle, third one interior angle. This was the second question that of the exercise 3.1. I hope all of you understood this exercise. Clear everyone?